เนาะเราจะมาเล่นเกมเตะบอลให้เบิ่งเนาะหลังจากนั้นเราจะมาเข้าเกมตัวนี้สนามมันจากอ้อในนี้เราจะมาถอยออกในนี้หลังจากนั้นเราบันทึกเกมเนาะเราเล่นแล้วเราบันทึกไว้แล้วนี่เราบันทึกนี้แล้วเราจะมาโหลดเกมบันทึกเล่นต่อเรามาเริ่มเล่นต่อพอคราวนี้แล้วเราจะมาเข้ากับข้อที่4โอเคอย่างนี้เราเข้าข้อที่3เราจะมาเลือกเกมเรามาเกมเลยได้เนาะเราจะมาเลือกเกมเลยได้เราจะมาเลือกเอาเองเลยนี่ก็นั้นเราเลือกเกมเลยแล้วค่อยเอาอย่างนี้สนามเดี๋ยวนี้เราจะออกไปเลือกอ้อเตะบอลบุกพันเฮ้ยเราจะเล่นให้เบิ่งเนาะ
Holds it.
Pogba, sorry.
Right in the box. Wins the ball. Accurate passing between the two of them. Surely he can't miss from here. Only a matter of millimetres in that.
Not a lot more he could have done with that one. Great try.
No sorry.
It's a loose ball, too long. Right in the box.
Oh,
he's fumbled the ball, but the defender clears. Monreal. Into the box. And it's taken with some style. And the manager can afford to smile, even if only for a moment, as his team takes a first-half lead.
Oh, that was a majestic run and finish. And I think the longer he went on, the whole stadium was desperate for him to put it away. Brilliant.
Hurry!
Sounds like the patience of the fans is running thin. Pass forward. Good footwork, creating the counter-attack. Safely in his gloves.
Mua sơi, bay.
Into the area. There's the whistle and the flag's up. Just caught offside there.
Ôi lật nát thật.
13 minutes on the clock in the first half. Surely he can put it away. There it is. Oh, and you can sense the tension easing amongst the players. Now they've got that to go cushion.
There's just not a lot more you can say about a midfielder like that. His play is full of class, style, and great goals.
He's in the box. They've scored. A quick-fire double, and this place is in ferment. Spectators out of their seats.
Look, that was a truly magical moment, and it was a privilege to sit here and witness it.
That's his second of the day, and he's making it look worryingly easy. Malafia. Taking a deflection. Goal in sight. And it's taken with some style. And that could be the goal that clinches victory.
But when he can back up that kind of explosive power with the right skill and technique, he's like a one-man team. That was fantastic to watch.
That's the hat-trick goal. Some fine finishing on display today.
Cậu say lên.
The long ball forward. Only 5 minutes until the break now. Good vision there. Surely he can't miss from here. And the goalkeeper puts it out for a corner. attempt to play the ball. Free kick. And there is the referee's whistle to end the first half.
หมดตรงนี้ครับ
In my opinion, they're totally in control of this game, and they'll want to continue the second half in the same manner as they finished the first.
It's a big margin between these sides.
ต่อไปตรงซ้อม
The second half gets underway. Safe to say they're in no hurry to relinquish the upper hand. Diego. Tight defensive play at the back there. Into the box. He parries it. Punched away and out for a corner. To the far post.
เอ้ยชิงกะ
Sails wide of the left post. Not a bad effort though.
Well, he knows more than anyone what a great chance from close range, and that header really should have been in the net.
The break is on. Well within his range. And a goal. They're well clear now. It's just a question of how many more.
Oh, that was an exquisite through ball, and he took the chance so well. That's a really good finish.
4 in this game. He's going to be hard pushed to top this performance.
Book.
Surely. Fallen kindly.
เจอ
Away.
ใช่แล้ว
This game has already ceased to be a contest.
All credit to the attacker there, but you have to ask questions of that defence. What were they doing?
And that is an incredible fib. That's one way to make a name for yourself. Into the second half. Oh, sturdy defence. Off the ball. Drops it forward. Pass intercepted. Into the box. They've been given a corner.
Sút kiếm.
To the target in the centre. Pressure on the defence now. Surely he can't miss from here. Looks like he got underneath that one a little.
I just don't think he's having the best of days by his standards, and that shot summed him up today.
We've reached the last 15 minutes of the game. Out wide. Chance in the box. Well, the goalkeeper could have been left with a red face, but the defender has cleared the danger. Maybe a miss hit. It was off target.
I think he'll be really pleased with that effort, given he was slightly off balance.
Well defended. In the penalty area. Over the bar. Not really threatening the goalkeeper there.
Well, it just don't come any closer than that.
Inside the box now. He's one-on-one with the keeper. The clock counting down. Calmly done. Back it goes. Diego. Plays it upfield. That's clearly not what was intended. And suddenly the defence is on the back foot. Chance in the box. Keeper always knew it was going over.
I think he catches it really well, but there's no accuracy in that.
There we have it. The match is all over. We've seen some fantastic finishing from this team with real attacking class throughout. Their opponents didn't stand a chance.
Look, we didn't see them at their football best, but there was an underlying determination there, and it helped them to pull through.
Thanks go to Jim, and it's now time for us to leave tonight's coverage. We both wish you a very good evening.
So let's keep living till it all falls down. Let's close our eyes.